The first thing to start a financial success is to start, and sooner is better. In this video, you're gonna learn how to set up yourself financially for success at a young age. As soon as you turn 18, you have to get a credit card. You need a credit card to build credit score. Why credit score is important at a young age? Credit score would give you better loans in the future. All the rents now ask for a credit score. Some jobs ask for a credit score, and you need to have a good credit score in order to set up yourself financially. The issue that I had with this is I wasn't in the US at the early age. So I had to build my score up from the age of 30. And believe me, it's hard to build it at this age because you won't be able to have the credit history that is needed to get a good score that will give you a loan verification, loan approval. So I had the trouble getting approved for a house loan for a certain period of time before I get co-signed with my wife to get approved. So the first thing you need to do is smash the like button and then go get a credit card. So in conclusion, the first thing you need to do is to go smash the like button and then go get a credit card. Now believe me, the watch time is really important for the YouTube algorithm, I know that, but if you don't have a credit score yet, please pause the video, continue that video later, go apply for a credit card. You can go apply for a credit card on Discovery credit cards. Basically, Discovery work as you put some money to get a credit card for the amount of money that you put it in the bank, and after that you can build a history with Discovery, and it will accumulate so you can apply for credit cards later. One trick you can do is get one of your parents to give you a credit card on his name. It's gonna build a history, and after that you can apply for a credit card from Chase or Bank of America or any credit card later. So you can skip the Discovery part. But sure, first go hit the like button and then go directly get a credit card. Everything in the video doesn't matter if you don't have a credit history. Credit history is something that you need to build early on because it will accumulate with the history to get a good credit score for later. The second one in the list is to go and get a bank account. Get a checking account on any of the banks. It doesn't matter unless you are paying fee for that. Don't pay fee for anything. Just go get an online bank like Ally Bank or any other bank online that doesn't charge you any fee. I know you can go and get also on Bank of America and Chase. They won't charge any fee if you have at least $1,500 in the account. If you get below that, they will charge some fees. So avoid the fees, but you should have a bank account. The third thing to build a financial success at a young age is to go get a retirement account, Roth IRA. Why? Roth IRA is the best thing you can do at early age, because at early age you are not paying, like assuming that you are not getting a lot of money. Most of your money is already tax deducted. Since the money is tax deducted, it's better to invest in a Roth IRA. Roth IRA is basically after the tax, you save this money into a retirement account, and all the accumulation of all the interest and all the profit that had been made on this account gonna be tax-free at the age of 60. And believe me, if you open a Roth IRA at a young age, it's the best advice that I can give you to set up you for financial success. If you have a Roth IRA and accumulate $6,000 each year in the account, at the age of 60, you're gonna have about $2 million, assuming you are gaining 10% each year. So it's super important to have a Roth IRA. It will set up you for financial success, Roth IRA is the solution for young age. It's better than the traditional IRA because your money is already being deducted from taxes. So now we have a bank account, we have a credit card, we have our retirement account, and the fourth and the most important thing that you should learn, really, please don't miss this up. Don't buy what you cannot afford. Don't buy what you cannot afford. If you can stick to this only, from everything I'm saying, you're gonna be financially satisfied with what you have, because you won't get loans that you are unable to pay later down the line. You won't have an APR that is taking half of your salary, and you won't have problems financially later. Don't do the mistake of your parents. Don't spend money that basically you cannot get in the same month. Don't get loans for things that are not important. I know that most of you guys want to have this new luxurious car. Be financially responsible and don't buy what you cannot afford. 5. One of the things that we can start doing at this age, at the age of 18 or 20, is to go get a job. Like, don't get it wrong. I don't want to be like the old man, so get a job or something like that. But at the end of the day, it's the time for you to start experimenting what you like, what you have to offer to the world, and to just get some money. Everything that you get at a lower age can accumulate to be really something huge in the future, and it will set up you for financial success, because when you get a job, you will know what you like. So go and try to earn money. It will teach you a lot along the way. You will get responsible with money when you put the hard work to it. When you are spending from your parents, you won't care if it is hard or easy to get the money. You won't know that until you work yourself. Go get a side job or a side hustle that can give you some money, because nobody knows if it will turn you a billionaire within the next 10 years. The age of 20 is risk-free. You can make mistakes while getting a new job, like it won't pay you much. It's forgivable. When you get to the age of 30 or 40, you have a family, you have a life to live. These mistakes are unforgivable, because if I want to leave a job for a side hustle that won't work out, my family will starve. So you don't have this issue now. So start by getting a job. Try everything, like literally try everything, and it will set up you for financial success, and it will give you some money that you can invest in the Roth IRA that we've talked before. Number 6, live below your means. Please try to save money. Don't waste everything. If you have as an income $1,000 per month, there is no need to spend it all. This will set up you for financial success no matter what. If you live below your means, it will give you a healthy financial life along the way, because you will be able to pay for the circumstances that will happen later in your life, like going to a hospital, having a child, and a lot of these things that come at a certain point in life and you cannot avoid. Having an accident in your car, there is a lot of things that saving would save you along the way. Number 7, if you are at the age of 18 or 19, you are heading to the college. I know your parents are basically want you to go to the college and get the best education that you can get, because it will set up you for financial success. If you are paying for the college from a loan, please don't do it for just getting a 4 years of college that basically will teach you something you don't love. If you don't know what you want to do in the university, if you don't know what your aim in the future, if you don't know what is the goal of the college itself, don't do it unless your parents are paying for the college. You won't have a student loan after that you cannot repay. You will struggle a lot. Please go get a job instead. Build your wealth with me. Go learn from YouTube what you can do best. If you are and you know that, like, I want to be a doctor and I know that I'm gonna be successful after the college, by all means go do it. But if you are like struggling, you don't know what you want to do, and you are just getting to the university to follow the system that everyone know, no, I don't encourage that at all. If you're gonna have a student loan after that, it's really hard to repay this without the passion for the thing that you've learned. And now let's go to business. First, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed, you should subscribe. There is a thing you should know about called index fund. Index fund is where you should save your money after putting it in the Roth IRA, or if you maxed out your Roth IRA, you should invest in index fund. Index fund will give you money no matter what. No matter what. If you just go buy this share and keep it for as long as you can, it will save you and give you money along the way. This is the 101 investing. It's also the best thing you can do in investing without taking too much risk, is to go invest in index fund. There is ETFs that you can invest in, like VOO and VTI. Those are the ones that I recommend. Disclosure, this is a non-financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Number 9, and it is the thing that everyone misses in the YouTube. To get a financial success, you should learn from the mistakes that had been made by others. I know that at the age of 18, 19, 20, 21, you won't listen to your parents that much. But I would encourage you to learn from their mistakes. Whatever they've done and they confirm that it was a mistake, you shouldn't do that. Listen and learn. The humanity is built on accumulation of knowledge. I know this is like too much, but at the end of the day, if you can accumulate the knowledge of your parents, you will be a millionaire down the line. Believe me, this is the thing that will save you a lot of time. So don't forget also subscribe, and by that I would end the video.